Exactly, my friend. Exactly. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. I think it just makes sense to continue. Thank you for being here, guys. Just to let you all know, we're going to do SENS right now, Senseonics. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, motherfuckers. And ring that bell so you get notified. So Senseonics today has an article, guys. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there talking about SEC filings, which we did. But I'm going to give you this quite interesting article. It actually is from Sensonics.com website. I believe it came out today. This was actually shared in our Discord. Who the heck was it? I totally forgot. I think it was Amir or somebody. But somebody from our Discord. Let me know who was it in the chat room or in the comment section, guys, to give you a shout out. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Sensonics announces initiation of European commercial efforts by partner Ascensia Diabetes Care. Germantown Sensonics Holdings, a medical technology company focused on the development and commercialization of long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) systems for people with diabetes, today announced that Ascensia Diabetes has commenced sales and marketing activities for the Eversense XL CGM system in key European markets as of today, as part of their strategic partnership announced in August 2020. Today, we are extremely excited to see Ascensia, a global leader in the diabetes technology space, begin distribution of the Eversense XL in these key European markets. We are confident our shared goal of bringing our advanced long-term solution to more people with diabetes will be accomplished through Ascensia's high level of commitment to our products and to patients and healthcare providers, said Tim Goodnow, not later, PhD, President and CEO of Sensonics. Today further strengthens our collaboration and shows the commitment of our combined organizations and provide patients with an implantable sensor that gives them continuous glucose readings for up to 180 days. Ascensia's global infrastructure and strong commercial experience alongside our focus on innovation, product development, and production will enhance value for all our stakeholders. Under terms of the commercial agreement, today's Ascensia initiates distribution to Eversense XL system in Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Poland, Spain, and Switzerland. In the US, Ascensia is already providing sales support for the original Eversense CGM system. Ascensia Diabetes Care is a global specialist diabetes care company that is dedicated to helping people living with diabetes. It is a leader in the blood glucose monitoring market with its Contour portfolio of systems that are known for their accuracy and ease of use. Ascensia markets its devices in over 125 countries across the world. The Switzerland-based company is owned by PHC Holdings Corporation Ltd, a KKR portfolio company. Eversense XL is the only CGM providing continuous glucose readings for up to 180 days with a single sensor in persons age 18 and older in the European market. The Eversense CGM system in the US provides continuous glucose readings for up to 90 days with a single sensor in persons age 18 and older. Inserted under the skin in a simple in-office procedure, Eversense XL gives users the freedom from weekly or bi-weekly self-insertions. Wow! Man, that... Guys... Designed with the patient in mind, with Eversense system has a removable transmitter that provides discretion and flexibility with the added reassurance of on-body vibratory alerts to inform users when their glucose level is outside their low or high settings. The system is accurate throughout its sensor life with an MARD of 9.4%. The EverSense mobile app allows for retail monitoring and management, enables users to view their data on their smartphone and share retrospective data from the data management system with their HCPs. In addition, through the company accompanying EverSense Now Caregiver app, up to 5 other people can remotely view a user's real-time readings and alerts. Guys, to give you a little bit of background about EverSense continuous glucose monitoring system. We already said this already, guys, but about Sensonics, this one. Senseonics Holdings is a medical technology company that focuses on the design, development, and commercialization of transformational glucose monitoring products designed to help people with diabetes confidently live their lives with ease. Senseonics CGM system, EverSense and EverSense XL, include a small sensor inserted completely under the skin. We already said all that, man. Come on, bro. But the glucose data are automatically sent over every 5 minutes to the mobile app and on the user's smartphone. So with that said, SENS, let's make sense. SENS, guys. This is the time. Woo! David, what is that? We're making moves. We're making moves. David, what is that? I think we're making progress. David, what is that? It is a flag. It needs to break up. David, what is that? Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're already in profit. 268. The closing price. Let me see. I would be SENS currently, ladies and gentlemen, by the way, so you guys understand what date is today. You can see here 2/01/2021. 281. Oh my goodness, guys, we are already rocking it. Look at that. But David, what is that? We're making profit. But David, what is that? It is SENS. It's going up. But David, guys, oh my goodness, SENS. I've been entering SENS for quite a while, guys. And let's see, 156. We are in profit, guys. 156, my initial entries. And this is when we start talking about it, guys, around $1.19. I was like, it seems like SENS wants to go up. Looking at the daily, guys, you can see that the exponential moving averages start to cross after the break of a trend line, after the break of a resistance over here. You can see the resistance level, 46 cents. I know it looks horrible. It looks nasty. I'm going to be very honest. It looks horrible. But on the monthly, as you can see, guys, let me remove these targets that we have. Let me remove all of this, guys. Let me not confuse you so you can see this current candle. Is that my computer, man? It's a little bit buggy. I'm going to be very honest, guys. My computer is a little buggy. Buggy. Okay, here we go. That's what I wanted to see. So, 269, my friends. 269, that's where it closed. As you can see, guys, this is what I had as perspective. So we had a resistance level of 535. We created a lower level of 30 cents around that level. I do like the product, so it kind of makes sense. When we break the trend line, that's what we just got to wait for. We broke to create, guys, higher highs. It broke even this resistance, which was indicating the upside. Bullish candle above the 14 EMA, indicating more upside. As you can see, another bullish engulfing candle above the 50 EMA, creating some higher highs at 390s, leaving a wick, closing down at $2.30. It had some offerings come up, and it gave us a discount code. And I'm still waiting for that $3.90 area, and even 535, which, my friends, by the way, we're already writing this. The last entry that I got is 69% of upside with a target of 390s. After that, I have a target of 131, which can definitely get there. I got a target of 839, which is 261%. I got a target even further than that at 13, 18, and I believe that this could even go to $25. By doing the Fibonacci levels, guys, we are able to identify some key prices and obviously some expectations as well by price prediction from other users, guys. I do believe that the Fibonacci gives us a very accurate level. I do like 13, I do like 18, but just to match it around $20, this could be an amazing opportunity. Let me show you how much, guys. Let me go a little bit lower from the 25. $20 could be a 797% increase. Tell me what bank pays you freaking 1% a month. Tell me what bank. Even as a certificate of deposit, how much do they pay? Let me know right now, guys. Senseonics, I know it's a little bit busy, the chart, but you have been tracking the price with me throughout all these videos, man. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that motherfucking bell. We do the videos with a lot of love. Keep on kicking booty. And Senseonics, guys, 535. Let me know. Will it go up to 535? I think it can get there doing a... Or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob Bobby and not do anything? I think it kind of makes sense. Let me see over here, guys. Real quick. Let me check out the channel, the chat room. SENS end of year, put it on the books. 300? Nah, 300. I think that's too much, man. 300 is too much. But you know what? I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna leave it. That you said it, bro. I'm gonna leave that you said over here $300. Mira, my friend, snuff one up. Snuff one up. I'm gonna put you in the board, bro. I'm gonna put you in the board. Dude or dudette, I don't know. Snuff one up. So there you go, $300. That will be insane, my friend. Have you seen all the drama with Warrior Trading? No, I don't watch drama. I just look at the charts, my friend. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Let me see over here. My dream anyway. This all sounds so very nice. Carefree way to manage a growing problem. Diabetes. Yes. Naked. We already did Naked. You can go back through the video and check out Naked. It was one of the first ones that we did. If you want to be patient with me, I can take a look at it at the end. I'm up 12% on SENS. Woo! Congratulations, mi hermanillo. That sounds good. Sounds beautiful. Do you think it's worth it for me to buy SENS tomorrow? If you like the product, if it makes sense to you, you know what I mean, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I like the product. Hey, David, can you tell me what made you decide to enter at 160? Yes, at 160. I actually entered at 156. The reason that I entered, my friend, is because I actually was a little bit late to the party. I wanted to get in at 121, but looking at the daily over here, I entered because it retraced back down. Yeah, let me show you the 4 hour, because over here. Okay, the 1 hour. So as you can see over here, this is when I started to review it once again. I was like, man, it's just that SENS makes sense. I like the product. And I just started to add positions over here at 156. Exactly on the drop. Exactly on this drop. And the reason that I got in, let me go ahead into the 4 hour. It bounced on the 14 EMA for me, technically speaking. I actually wanted to see it over here. And I believe it was the offerings. I think they had an offering. Let me check out something real quick, my friend. Because the offerings give us opportunities. Some people say, oh, the offerings. You know what? Offerings are discount codes. I'm telling you all, man. And we've been doing this for quite a while, so it kind of makes sense already. So SENS, let me see real quick. See that? 50 million through stock sale. And then Sensonics leaves fourth quarter revenue projection, expects essential transition. So there was a lot of good things happening. So I didn't enter in November. I entered this year. So that's kind of why I started entering, man. It's just the product makes sense to me, and I just started entering, and it just went higher and higher. And then on the weekly, I can see that it closed above the 200 EMA, and that's indicating me that it's gonna go up, man. And the other thing is that we broke this resistance level. Here we go. This is the other reason why, because we created a bullish engulfing candle as well. So a lot of confirmations for me. It was like the product, the candles, it was everything. It was looking good to me. And the potential as well, man. 535. The product makes sense. It's not, if you think about it, it's like, oh man, yes, that's this kind of chip that you can implant. It makes sense. Having an application is amazing. I think it just makes sense, man. It just makes sense. Sadly, it's a pun, but it's all good. It's all good. It's a good pun. Now let me do CTRM, Castor Maritime. See, working on enter and exit strategies. Would like to know how you process your entry. Yeah, my entries is very technical. Having buy stops, sometimes it's just because of the product, as I said, bullish engulfing candles. Sometimes it's like, man, this price makes sense right now after it went down so much. Scudaboat SE was looking at this, yo guys. Nice, I don't think I would. I would like to learn how you enter, always getting the best times. I get in when everyone else late. No, my friend, I think it's just doing your research, understanding the company, understanding the product. If you have confidence in it, if it makes sense to you, you're like, oh yeah, this is very cheap, and you just get in. You get in and get disposable income. The best way to enter an investment is investing money that you don't need. Think about it. You don't need the money. You're already allocating your budget for spending on school, food, on clothes. Clothes you can save a little bit, but don't go crazy going to Starbucks and all of that. Maybe you want to brew some coffee at home, and that will save you like $6, maybe $10 every day. Keep that